Good morning, and welcome to a guided meditation by Pranic George. Let's get into a comfortable seated position. Close your eyes, and let us begin. Inhale and exhale, slowly. Make sure you are taking out all the air from your body. Be aware, and control your breathing. Gently put your hands in the middle of your chest. We are going to ask for divine blessings. Place your hands in praying position. To the Supreme God, Divine Father, Divine Mother, to my spiritual teacher, to all the spiritual teachers, holy angels, holy saints, spiritual helpers, to Master Choa Koksui, Mahaguru Ji Main Ling. We humbly invoke for divine blessings of love, peace, inner healing, guidance, illumination, awareness and protection. Thank you, in full faith. Take a deep breath, and slowly place your hands on your knees. Be aware of the air entering your lungs, nurturing you. Every time you inhale, you can feel white bright light entering your body. When exhaling, you can feel all the dense and unnecessary energy being extracted, removed from your body. Inhale light, exhale dense and sick energy. Inhale light, exhale all the gray energy in your body. You notice that every time you inhale, your muscles, your skin, and all your body becomes brighter, full of life, and full of light. Your lungs, your organs, brain, skin and your hair are all full with a brilliant, white light. Allow your body to become a beacon of light, a perfect instrument for divine light, divine love, and peace. Allow the energy to flow through all your body. Inhale light. Exhale light. All your body is full of light. All the prana and divine energy is flowing through your body. Be still. Focus on this energy. Lovingly, imagine a pink beautiful light expanding from the center of your chest. Allow this energy of loving kindness and compassion to grow and flow through you. Every muscle, every bone, every cell. Your entire body is full with loving kindness energy. Your thoughts, your emotions, your actions, they are all full with this beautiful sensation. Allow your eyes, your smile and your words to be full with loving kindness. Let this energy become part of you. Take a deep breath and feel this energy expanding around you. Let every person, every being, be blessed with divine love, loving kindness, and compassion. Feel how the infinite energy of love moves in every cell of your body, expanding and blessing all of your surroundings. Everything you see, hear, and feel is now full with love, compassion, and kindness. Take a deep breath and remain still. Let this beautiful energy settle in your system, in your body, mind, and emotions. Lovingly imagine a beautiful and soft green light around you. Every time you inhale, this energy of life and light enters your body. Allow this energy to flow through your bloodstream, your nervous system, your brain. You can feel this energy of restoration, healing your body, making it stronger, younger, healthier, regenerating every muscle, every bone, every tissue. Let this energy settle and increase the vibration in your body, activating your cells. Every single atom in your body is now full with divine healing energy. Be aware of the vibration. Be aware of the energy flow. Gently stretch your hands in front of you, in a blessing position, with the palm of your hands facing downwards. And imagine a beam of light around you. You can see golden and white energy passing through your body, going from the base of your spine and your hands into the earth. Relax, and let the energy move into the planet. Mentally say, "Let Mother Earth be blessed with divine love and divine healing energy. Let the entire planet be restored. All the land, the oceans, all of nature. Let all be healthy and in balance. Blessings be to Mother Earth." Inhale for 6 seconds. Hold 3 seconds. Exhale 6 seconds. Hold 3 seconds. One more time. Inhale 6 seconds. Hold 3 seconds. Exhale 6 seconds. Hold 3 seconds. You may gently put your hands on your knees. Be aware of the silence and all the natural energy around you. The connection. Meditate on this feeling. Relax and let go. Be aware of your body. Gently move your fingers, your toes. Take a deep breath. And place your hands in the center of your chest. To the Supreme God, Divine Father, Divine Mother, to my spiritual teacher, to all the spiritual teachers, holy angels, holy saints, spiritual helpers, to Master Choa Koksui, Mahaguji, Mengling. We thank you all for the divine blessings of love, peace, inner healing, guidance, illumination, awareness, and protection. Thank you in full faith. Namaste. You may gently open your eyes with a big, big smile.